डीपीएस सिलीगुड़ी, जिसके नाम में ही अचीवमेंट है और इस स्कूल ने एक के बाद एक कई सारे अचीवमेंट हासिल किया है। हेलो एवरीवन, आप देख रहे हैं द वॉइस ऑफ सिक्किम। मैं आप सभी के साथ हूं माशा और एक बार फिर से हम आ चुके हैं दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल डागापुर में, जहां हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कि इस स्कूल ने एक बहुत ही बड़ा अचीवमेंट हासिल किया है। इस स्कूल ने इंडियन स्कूल अवार्ड हासिल किया है और यह अवार्ड जो है बहुत ही कम लोगों को हासिल करने का मौका मिलता है। तो आपको बता दें कि अनिशा मैम ने, जो कि इस स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल है, उन्होंने एक बहुत ही रिनॉन जर्नलिस्ट एंड ऑथर जो है, जिनका नाम है बरखा दत्त, उनके हाथों से ये अवार्ड स्कूल के लिए रिसीव किया है, जो कि खुद में एक बहुत ही बड़ी बात है। तो आप ज़्यादा देरी ना करते हुए जुड़ते हैं इस स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल अनिशा शर्मा मैम के साथ।
At the beginning of the session 2024, with much pride and pleasure, DPS Siliguri received the prestigious Indian School Award in Mumbai for being the best day-come boarding school of the year, adding to its crown jewel. Delhi Public School Siliguri embodies what an ideal educational institute of the 21st century represent. DPS Siliguri also boasts of receiving the award of being the best day-come boarding school in West Bengal for the last 10 consecutive years.
तो इस वक्त हमारे साथ डीपीएस के प्रिंसिपल अनिशा शर्मा मैम उपस्थित है। उनसे हम इस नए अचीवमेंट के बारे में बातचीत करेंगे, जो कि इस स्कूल के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। हेलो मैम, वेलकम टू द वॉइस ऑफ सिक्किम।
हेलो।
सबसे पहले तो आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन इस न्यू अचीवमेंट के लिए।
थैंक यू सो मच।
मैम, हम जानना चाहते हैं कि डीपीएस सिलीगुड़ी की तरफ से जब आपने ये इतना बड़ा अवार्ड जब आपने रिसीव किया, तो आपको कैसा फील हुआ?
Oh, I just can't explain you in words. Winning an award is always a special moment. And back to back we are going on receiving the award. Recently I had been to Mumbai to receive Indian School Awards 2024 on 27th of April in Mumbai, and that too from Barkha Dutt, the great journalist and author. I am feeling humbled, privileged, honored to be receiving this award on behalf of DPS Siliguri.
बरखा दत्त एक रिनॉन जर्नलिस्ट, उनके जो कि बहुत ही कम जगह पे देखी जाती है, और जब उनके हाथों से आपको जब ये अवार्ड रिसीव करने का मौका मिला, तो उस वक्त आपकी फीलिंग क्या थी?
See, it's always good to receive award from the great personality like Barkha Dutt. Obviously, I felt privileged, and it was my honor to be receiving the award from her, and I was inspired also.
मैम, क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं कि डीपीएस सिलीगुड़ी बाकी सारे देश भर के स्कूलों के बीच बेस्ट डे कम बोर्डिंग स्कूल के जो कैटेगरी है, उसमें सर्वश्रेष्ठ कैसे है और यूनिक कैसे है?
Before I answer to your question, I want to express my gratitude to our Provisy ma'am, Mrs. Kamlesh Agrawal, Director Sir, Mr. Sharad Agrawal, Director of DPS Siliguri, and I want to extend my gratitude to Snidha ma'am, the Director of DPS Fulbari. They are the visionaries who has taken DPS to this level, and I also want to mention all the community contributing in the success story of DPS Siliguri, from the parent community to the faculties to the students who are the soul and heart of DPS Siliguri. They all are contributing. Whenever you receive any award, it is not a simple one person or many. It is the entire stakeholder, those who are contributing into the success story. Each and every one is important. We are the three pillars. Number one is the institution, number two the parents, and number three the children, of course. So unless we work together as a team, we will not be able to achieve the heights which we have received. We have completed 20 long years of excellence and proving ourselves, going on getting the awards from the education world. Every year we take West Bengal's #1 award. We had been to Dubai to receive the award. We had been to Langkawi to receive the award, and this in 24 we have received 2 back-to-back awards. So it is the compassion, it is the love, it is the care of the community, taking care of the children and helping them to be the most responsible citizen of India. It is not only the academics or the syllabus or the way or the style or the methodology that work. we have a vision of inculcating all the moral values, ethics, and purifying their emotions of empathy, compassion, gratitude, kindness, all. Means we are developing human beings, we are making their character, we are man making, and at the end I can say that we are contributing in the vision of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. It is not that one day they will be any kind of profession adopting, being a doctor or engineer or fashion designer, having enterprise of their own. It is man making, a good human being, making good human being, producing good human being is the vision of DPS Siliguri. So with this vision we are going ahead taking care of every single individual who is a part of DPS Siliguri.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन हम करना चाहेंगे कि डीपीएस के सक्सेसफुल जर्नी के पीछे टीचर ने तो काफ़ी मेहनत किया है, उनका हार्ड वर्किंग के साथ साथ हम देखते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो भी काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करते हैं और कई सारे अचीवमेंट वो भी हासिल करते हैं, तो इस बारे में आपकी क्या राय है?
See, if it comes to the students' capability, I believe that the students are very talented, extraordinary talented, not only in academics, in all the extracurricular activities they are very smart, be it music, be it dance. We have a wonderful program annually known as Unison. So if you want really to see the talent equivalent to the across the world that the students are having, that you can see in my students. Music or cricket or song or academics or scientific temperament, research, taking part in national level competition of related to science model, whatever, visiting to NASA, going and participating in French competition, Spell-B, which was held recently in Delhi, or be it going and meeting to the Rashtrapati on Children's Day. These are the ability, capabilities, talent, passionate, committed, hardworking. The complete this awards are received and achieved by my students. So here you can see, there you can see, we have SAM cricket inter-school competition, which is every year we organize in the first week of January, from 3rd January to 10th. So you can see whether it is Spell-B, whether it is quiz competition, in every competition the students are heading, whether it is MAN, recently the DPS Fulbari conducted MAN. So the students are going higher. We had been to UK to participate in MAN. So there also our students, they were honored and rewarded. So coming and explaining about the students is like I have to go long to explain how able they are. And I want to thank through this platform to all the parent community for providing all their support all the time whenever we ask for. Thank you.
जाते जाते क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे हमारे व्यूवर्स को?
I want to tell that each and everybody is born and the knowledge and the talent is within. You have to recognize what you are good at. You have to be passionate and please make every day your masterpiece. Thank you.
डीपीएस सिलीगुड़ी इसने बहुत सारे अचीवमेंट्स को हासिल किया है और यही एक रीज़न है कि डीपीएस सिलीगुड़ी का जो जर्नी है वो काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल रहा है। और आज हमने एक नए अचीवमेंट के बारे में यहाँ की प्रिंसिपल मैम अनीशा शर्मा जी से बातचीत की और उनसे बातचीत करके हमें और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में जानने का मौका मिला। तो अभी तक हम जुड़े थे यहाँ के प्रिंसिपल अनीशा शर्मा मैम के साथ। इसी तरह लगातार न्यू अपडेट के लिए बने रहे और देखते रहे द वॉइस ऑफ सिक्किम। थैंक यू सो मच।